Welcome back to my channel, you 437 beautiful subscribers. Today we're going to be making a fence, and you can get this plastic fence for $1 over at the Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and cut the corners so that way it would become square and not be that oval shape. And so I went ahead and just split different little spots throughout the thing so that way it would hold the square shape. So I wanted to make this look like the rustic farm look, and that's why I chose to paint with a paintbrush. So that way I could go ahead and give that look. If you don't want that, what would be faster? Spray paint. That would be my suggestion. And then what would be faster than that? Just leaving it black. So it could be a super fast project with just those couple cuts and you would be done. So it really could be done within 5 minutes or less. So tell me what you decided to do to make yours. Leave it down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys modified. As always, I appreciate your view and happy crafting.